Yo, what's good guys? Just wanted to hit you guys up with a quick video for a sales update on my Amazon business. Just want to give you guys the full scoop of what's going on right now, where we're at, have we made any money, and just how things have been going. Stay tuned by the end of the video for also a special announcement as well that you guys are going to be very, very happy about and be able to benefit out of. So yeah, welcome to today's video really quick, and let's get into November sales. Right now it is November 21st. It is not the end of November yet. We're just right before Black Friday and Cyber Monday, so I'll be able to give you guys an update on sales on that as well. But for now, let's take a look at how it's been so far. All right, guys, so here we are back on my computer right now. So I'm on my Helium 10 dashboard right now just to see my overall sales. I'm also going to look at Shopkeeper, which is basically going to show us like the profits so far as well. So far today, we've done about $2,700. I'm going to refresh this actually. Make sure that's all good. That load, boom. Okay, so over $2,700 for the day so far, almost 90 units. And you can see here, click closely at the last 7 days, I've done $22,000, over $22,000 in just 7 days. Freaking amazing, freaking incredible. It's been popping this year. So most of the year has been pretty slow, but it's a lot of it's been really just preparing for this part of the year so I can just blow up. And that's usually what it is. Like I make a majority of my money during Q4. So it's been popping off really, really well. So I'm super happy about that. And then we can take a look at what my profit has been lately as well. So you can see here, this is Shopkeeper. This is like my trend of like day-to-day sales from the beginning of November until now. So basically averaging around like $400 a day-ish so far. So far I've made about $7,000 net profit. This is literally after everything. I'm talking about every single expense you can think of as far as Amazon fees, the PPC advertising, the returns, all the Amazon fees, the cost of the goods, even like software programs that I'm paying for, everything's being accounted for in this profit right here, okay? So we're only at November 21st, so we still have what, like 9 more days of November, and in these 9 days of November, probably gonna bank like $10,000 net profit because of Black Friday and Cyber Monday, and we all know that as it gets closer and closer to the Christmas time, December and everything, things start to ramp up even more. So yeah, I definitely estimate that this month I could do between $15,000 to $20,000 net profit, and that's gonna be for November. So I'm super excited about that. So that's where we're at right now. Pretty good, can't complain, really happy about that. And now let's move on to the news that I want to show you guys. Okay, so the news that I want to share with you guys is that for the first time ever, I'm actually having a Black Friday sale for my course mentorship program. Okay, a lot of people have been asking me about it, and I'm just like, okay, fine. I'm just gonna give the people what they need. I don't like doing discounts, but this time I was like, all right, let's just give the people what they want. So if you guys check the link in the description, and if you guys use BF2021 at checkout, you'll be able to get 30% off my mentorship course program, the whole Amazon program, A to Z, step by step, everything that I've done to be able to get to this point now, scaling your business from literally 0 to 6 figures, and make a great side business, side hustle, or maybe your primary source of income now, right? So yeah, feel free to check that out, guys. Use discount again, BF2021. Again, I'm going to leave all the information in the description down below for you guys to check out. But yeah, I'm super excited for these times, and hoping to see some of you guys in the program, some newbies into the program as well. You can guys check out my website as well. You can see my testimonials and then what the program has to offer. The course is everything step by step, laid out from beginning to end. You have a full step-by-step checklist so you know you're on the right track, and also you get access to me to help you out. So I'm not going to just disappear or anything like that. When you enroll to the course, you have access to me to talk to me, ask me questions, and be your guide to help you get through this business. You know, have somebody that got your back on this. So I got your back on this. I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic November, Thanksgiving as well. Stay safe, happy holidays, and as always, bosses, let's go make that money. Peace.